Hey, I'm Casey Gilbert, and I'm going to show you how to line and edge your beard using your Wahl trimmer. First, you're going to find the line you want, starting just above the Adam's apple and up to each ear. You can use your jawline here as a guide to determine how far below you want to trim. Then we start trimming. So use your Wahl trimmer without a guard. Start trimming just above the Adam's apple. You want to make sure that your trimmer blade is parallel with your beard, and your Adam's apple is a natural dividing line between your beard and neck. This should act as your center. You're going to want to work your way toward the ears to get a straight line to start, then refer to your center and work from the middle up to the ear. Do the same on each side, always starting from the center. Don't go ear to ear, as this can give you an uneven line. Before finishing up, take a moment to check your line. Make sure there's a slight curve from center to each ear using your jawline again. Once you have your line down, I want you to get rid of all the hair underneath and give yourself a nice edge to your beard. And there you have it, a nice edged and lined beard using your Wahl trimmer.